Well, I'm out here today trying to do some more digging. We got 3 days of rain coming, so I'm trying to make an extra big swimming hole here for the frogs. I got all my foundation holes are dug, and just about all of them are full of frogs. Frogs swimming around in there, having a good time. They're loving it. I got to help them get out of there, though. They got trapped in there and they can't get out, so they won't last long unless they can get out and eat. But I'll do that here in a minute. I got to finish digging some more of this, but I had to take a break, killing my back, and I've been hauling the dirt around there, trying to build a berm up to put that big water tank back up so it'll settle down during this rain. And we're going to try and spend the rest of the day. I want that to be about 12 inches off of the grade here, so it's up about 30 inches right now. So by the time that fills up with water, it should smash down and pack all that, and should settle pretty good. And then once this ground dries out here next week, hopefully it's supposed to be all nice all next week, and the temperature is supposed to be in a good range. I'll get back in here and dig this out, but so far I've dug down about 12 to 14 inches there. I'm trying to get to the part where the elevation for the sump for the drain will line up with the drainage ditch, and then I'll know how much deeper to finish digging that out. But right now it looks like it's going to be about 12 to 14 inches. So I can put a drain tile in there and then put this dirt back on top of it and get it filled in, so I don't have to have a bridge to drive over to work around stuff. But that's what I'm doing today, trying to get this done. Rain's supposed to be here in a couple hours, so trying to get all I can get done, and let everything get muddy and do its thing and have a good time at my expense. And then I'll just have to wait and take a 3-day weekend, or a 2.5 day, and get back on it. And then I'm going to have to find a little mini excavator someplace to finish digging the holes for the tanks out there where I've got to make the little pond. So I'm going to have to beg, borrow, or not steal, but beg or borrow or rent or whatever to get that, so I can get that portion of the last big part done. And then it should be good to go, hopefully. So we'll find out here shortly how everything works out. So I thought I'd let you know that's what I'm doing on a Friday midday. I hope y'all have a good weekend. I'm going to try and rest up a little bit. I've got to take Itchy in there and give him a bath tomorrow. He don't know it yet, but he's going to get a bath. He's been playing around in this red clay, and he's getting a little orange colored, and I don't like orange colored dogs, so I have to get him washed up. He's not going to like me too much for a couple of days, but that's the way it is. Got to take a bath sometime. I took mine this morning, and he's going to get his too. So I will talk to you all later. Have a good one. Bye.